I get knocked down, back up again. You're never gonna keep me down.
I'm Preston Litt, and I'm from Mobile, Alabama.
I'm Curtis Graves. I'm from Mobile, Alabama.
Connor Flannery, Flower Mound, Texas.
I'm Michael Ford from Hoover, Alabama.
And I'm Hunter Howard from Louisville, Kentucky.
And this is our project.
You're probably wondering where we are. This is a structure built by engineers, actually. This structure is designed for a railroad track to go over a little ditch with a creek in the middle.
Creek.
So we all are interested in structural engineering, and if you think about civil engineers focus not so much strictly, but they focus on structural design such as dams, bridges, highways, and for example, this right here that we're sitting on, which is a bridge that has a railroad on top of it. Civil engineers would plan and supervise the construction of society's infrastructures. Architectural engineers is a discipline that deals with technological aspects of building, including the properties and behaviors of building materials, components, foundation design, structural analyzing, and designs and building operations.
An architectural engineer must be fully qualified in engineering, but must also be thoroughly versed in all architectural considerations involved in design and construction. Like for example, there's a creek here, like someone had to plan out how this was going to work, and like the mud and the sand that the whole structure sits in, like they have to take into all that into consideration when designing the structure.
Like a lot of professions, most engineers cannot make the smallest mistakes because they can end up causing people's lives. Like in 1981, 2 walkways in Kansas City collapsed in the Hyatt Regency Hotel, which ended up costing 114 lives and injured 216 other people. This is all caused because of one minor adjustment in the way the walkways were rigged.
It's a great honor being a civil engineer. However, a great honor comes great responsibility. With the smallest mistake, the lives of many, many citizens that we are here to observe can be lost. An example of this could be the breaking of the levees during Hurricane Katrina, or the collapse of the Minnesota Bridge. That's why we urge you, as the future civil engineers, the civil engineers of tomorrow, to study our past, study the past mistakes, and learn from them. And we can apply those mistakes to be the better civil engineers of tomorrow.